Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch accounts in Mobile Legends. If you want to log into another account, click on your profile in top left corner, then go to account and click on switch account. Now you have various login methods available, so you can just click on them to use the Moonton account, Game Center, or if you're using an Android phone, it's gonna be Google Play Games instead of Game Center, Facebook account, TikTok account, VK account, or more. And just select that the login option that is corresponding to an existing account, or you will be able to, instead of that, just create a new account if there is no account with that login method. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.